Hello everyone and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room Recap for Wednesday, September the 6th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your room. Any questions, you can use this email address. This is the link to get into our free trading room. You don't have to be a member of Trade Ideas. You can come into the room and participate. This is the link to use if you want to take out a subscription to Trade Ideas. And I open the room at about 9 o'clock Eastern Time. That's when I start to share my screen, and I get live on the mic a little after that, usually around 9:05. All right, well, kind of an interesting day for me in that I had a lot of some early trades that kind of chopped me out. Got on the wrong side of the, just either early or late. Actually, usually early, not late. But this one rescued me. This was from Holly. And I'll go over the other ones, but I just want to show you this one because I'm still in it. ORMP, and this was the alert at 9:09. I took the trade at 9:15, right about here. Took the trade right here, and I'll explain why I took this trade. And I did sell some out at a little at 9:37 and 9:53. This has allowed me to hold on to this big pullback here. And yesterday, yesterday in the pre-market, I got up to 990. So I am anticipating some pretty stern resistance right here. You can see that there are a couple of topping tails on this 15 minutes right there. If it can pop through here, though, you never know. And take a look at the daily on it. And this is what attracted me to it. You have to go back a little bit. I don't see really any resistance, and that's really what attracted me to it. As I said in the room, this is a Holly alert, but not all Holly alerts for me are the same. I don't treat them all the same. Some look a lot better than others for me. So this is definitely one that worked out well. Trivago. Now, a lot of people were in this one on the bounce. I actually looked at this and I took a quick short on it. Had earnings. Sorry, did not have earnings, but it issued a profit warning. So, we saw all this in the pre-market. I mean, just a tremendous drop for Trivago on a percentage basis. And so when the market opened, I decided to take a short on it at 1077. Got all the way down to 1042. Did get some out at 1057, and then it popped right back up, and I, scrambled to get out flat. Then a lot of people in the room actually sort of reversed the trade and went long. So definitely a nice trade both sides. This is one I'm still in, TITN. This is coming from, and I may in fact swing this one depending on what happens. Take a look at the daily chart. You'll see what I'm looking at here. So this is a stock that obviously has been beaten up. I believe it had, this is earnings 3 days ago, so it got beaten up, trying to recover. And so I may swing this one. If it gets up to maybe 1275, 1280, I'll probably take some out. Let me just get back into the 15-minute chart. I'm actually in at this one at 1243. I'm in at 1243. So I'm in right here at 1243. It's it's popped around a little bit, but it looks reasonable. A little pullback there in the 15, and maybe it'll continue up. So we'll just have to see. Let's see what else happened today. Campbell's Soup. Well, yeah, I got into this one. I don't really want to talk about it because I did get back in and I'm out of this one. But I did try to take it on the pop here, 47.11, and then it dropped down and I took my loss, 47.03. I did get back in, but it wasn't an announcement in the room. Everybody was watching it though. I mean, I knew that. Campbell's Soup, of course, had been beaten up pretty severely. Now maybe it's going to start moving back. Again, this was an earnings play. Got beaten up on earnings on this day, and maybe it's going to start to come back a little bit. Here's another interesting one. I'm not in this one yet, but look at the pop this one had all the way up to about 340 or so. This is a Babcock and Wilcox. Really beaten up on earnings. That was 19 days ago. Really beaten up. Actually, I traded this one right here. I think this is the day that I actually swung this one. I held it and was able to get out pretty close to the top here. Pulled back. And, who knows? If this holds 3 and starts to move up, I may take some, and you never know. I mean, the gap is pretty enticing, so I'll have to see what happens there. Another one that was a little bit frustrating for me was HRTG. Take a look at it on a 15-minute. Got into this one. Sorry, I actually should go back onto the daily chart because I think it looks, yeah, it looks great on the daily in that yesterday had the big down day and it looked like it was trying to recover. So let me get back into the 15-minute chart here. So on the 10 break, I waited for the 10 break. I actually think I waited twice. Got in at 10:13, right about here. And then this candle, it moved down, and then it moved back up. But I did take it out, and I took a little loss, and then it moved right back up, almost immediately on me. Now it's come, you know, and it got as high as 10:49. I was in at 10:13, so it was a little tough to take, but you know, it happens. And let's see what else we got going here. That is really about it. I did try to take a little short on this VSTM. It didn't work out either. This is one of those little bios that had news. Now, the only thing about it is, it does say it's a late stage positive result. So I will watch this one tomorrow. A lot of excitement, of course, in the pre-market. I mean, it's still up 30%. But you know what we've seen typically, a lot of these small bios, once the market opens, they do something like this. So I decided to try to take a little short on it. Got in at 492 and got out at 498. So, and it's really doing nothing. So I'll have to watch it tomorrow, though, see if it, you know, once the dust settles, see if it has any resumption. So again, I'm still in the ORMP. It's still trying to break through here. It'd be awesome if it did. And I'm still in the TITN. And it's looks like it's trying to make a new high here. So anyway, want to get back into the room. Lots and lots of action in our room. I can't say enough. We have so many fantastic traders in our room. If you're not in our room, I have no idea why. If you watch this video and you are somebody who can spend some time in a trading room, I have no idea why you wouldn't be in this room. I mean, it's free. And again, it's not to blow my own horn. I mean, I'm on all day long, of course, trying to give you guys ideas, but we have so many fantastic traders in the room who are doing the same thing on a text basis, and you'll get to know who they are. And so I encourage you to come in and try the room. And you don't have to be a member of Trade Ideas. And why would we do that? Why would we let you come into a room and free? And I don't think there's any other room like this on the internet. I may be wrong. That is completely free, where a moderator shares the screen and is live on the mic. I may be wrong, but I don't know of one. But obviously what we try to do is we do market trade ideas through the room, post links in every now and then, because again, if you want to become a serious trader, I would think that you would want to learn how to do all this on your own, be in the room, contribute and all, but not just, you know, listen to me to tell you what to buy and sell all day long, or even other people. You should want to know how to do this on your own. So anyway, I got off my soapbox and just bring up the little icon here. And I hope everybody has a great evening, and we'll see you hopefully in our trading room tomorrow. Bye-bye.